Hello everyone. In this video, let's see about the first chapter of NCERT Geography Class 7. In this video, you will learn about environment, changes in environment, its biotic and abiotic components, the ecosystem around us, and how humans evolved into the current modern state. So, let's get started. Our immediate surrounding is called environment. We have trees, beautiful landscapes, parks, buildings, etc. But certain things are created by nature and we call them a natural environment. We can phrase environment as a combination of natural and human-made phenomenon. Environment is a basic life support system through which we get air, water and land to live. Also, we share this precious landscape with other living beings with whom we live parallelly. Our environment often get modified due to human needs. We use vehicles through which carbon emissions are emitted. Land is used to build factories. They all play a drastic role on the Earth's domain behavior. The domains of Earth are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, and we have studied this extensively in our previous class. We can classify the natural environment into two. They are biotic and abiotic component. All the living beings, including humans, come under biotic component, and non-living elements such as mountain, water bodies come under abiotic component. A direct or indirect interaction happens between all living creatures, and we call this an ecosystem. For example, humans are dependent on forest and its produce. Trees are dependent on sunshine and rain. Animals are dependent on other animals, forest and water. Therefore, every living creature on Earth is dependent on its immediate surrounding. They are also interdependent on each other. For example, if we take camel, they live in desert. We know deserts are hot and dry and they have lengthy stretches of sand. Also, dry wind blow they throughout the day. Camel have a long and wide feet and also it have a hump on its back. Their wide feet keep them from sinking into the soft land. Likewise, the hump helps camel to store the fat, which it later converts to energy. This makes them to go without food and water for days. This physical characteristic of this deserted animal make it adaptable to its environmental conditions. Likewise, the environmental condition of a place play a vital role in its wildlife and vegetation. Now, let's study about the changes in human environment. On early days, humans were living a simple life and they lived in harmony with nature and their surrounding. Later, humans learned to grow crops, they started domestication. These led them to a settled life. After the invention of wheel, transportation began. People started to travel from place to place. Barter system were on place at that time. It is a trading method through which goods get exchanged without money. Here you can see a person gives grain and receives hen in return. This system was in use when money was not invented. Later, Industrial Revolution began, which enabled mass production. Modern transportation way emerged, made the traveling even faster. Now, the world has shifted to information evolution, through which communication is quicker than ever. Though development is crucial, we should also conserve our surrounding at the same time. Thus, we have come to an end. Hope the lesson is useful and thank you so much for watching. Please do give a thumbs up, also share and subscribe our channel for more content.